Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. This dish hails from Lebanon. It's called Lebanese Spinach Fatayer, and Fatayer means pastries. Let's make it together. Now that I made the dough, I will let it rest in a glass container coated with oil. Cover it with oil and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. This is a mixture of chopped baby spinach, fresh Italian parsley, and fresh mint. I'm gonna add a little bit of Aleppo pepper for some heat, sweet paprika, a pinch of salt, spring onions, freshly ground pepper, minced garlic, and a drizzle of olive oil just to bring everything together. Mix it very well. My filling is all ready and I will start to roll out the dough. And now I'm gonna roll it out. Okay, I'll use my biscuit cutter. Get as many rounds as I can. Leave it on the side to rest. Put I would say a half teaspoon of the filling. You pinch one side like this. And then in the middle, you pinch again. You bring the two sides and you pinch again to form a triangle. Perfect. Let me make the rest. So here I am pinching the last one. There's a nice triangle. Pinch it very well. Let it rest. Now that my spinach triangle fatayers or pastries are all ready, I let them rest 20 to 30 minutes. I will bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. I am back with my spinach pastries, Fatayer Sabanekh. Look how soft. It's a savory, yummy food. Please try it. Don't forget to leave a comment below and I will be back with another interesting Mediterranean recipe. See you.